Hey everybody, welcome back to Dave the Do-It-Yourself Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to set your axle housing up for welding of the TCI forward-link suspension brackets. Before you do that, you probably want to get familiar with your own axle housing. I have an 8-inch axle housing. They come in two different sizes. They are 2.25 inch and 2.75 inch. I have a 2.75 inch, actually measured at 2.80 inches. So first thing you want to do is get yourself a couple tools, like a magnetic protractor. You'll need that. A couple levels, measuring tape, and this is what I used to determine what size axle housing I had. You take a measurement right down here by the coilover brackets. So first thing you want to do is you're going to be working from a 90-degree plane. So set your level up. Use this surface as your level surface to begin with. And with that done, at a level surface, your axle housing should actually be pitched at 94.5 degrees from a level plane. So what I did was I went and I set my protractor up for 4.5 degrees. And with that up there, it's dead on. And the same thing with your alignment tool, that has to be set at 4.5 degrees as well to be in line with your axle housing. So you need to find out where your center mark is on your axle housing. So you need to take a measurement from the center of these holes to the center of these holes, which should be 43 inches. Divide that in half, that's 21.5 inches. And that'll be your center mark for your axle housing. And just double check it by measuring from there to there, 21.5 inches, and the same from here to there. With that said, now you have your alignment marks for your brackets. So you go ahead, throw that up there, make sure you've got your 4.5 degrees. Throw some tack welds on, and then check it. And really, that's the best way to set up for these upper brackets. Just make sure you're level here. You have 4.5 degrees here. And then you have a great center mark. Go ahead and make your tack welds and then do a test fit, see how you came out. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to set up for your sway bar brackets. This is actually not too bad, it's pretty easy. These brackets need to be 32.75 inches from bracket center to bracket center. So, what you need to do is figure out where your halfway mark is on your pumpkin, like you should have done already with your other brackets. And take a measurement from that center outward, and it should be 16.38 inches. And the same thing from this side. Make sure you have an overall length of 32.75 inches. So to make sure your brackets are good and centered and level on your housing, you want to go ahead and come down, take a measurement from bolt hole center to bolt hole center, and it should be 2 inches. So half of that is 1 inch. I made a mark. Same thing down at that end. Now to do this, I just ran a string from this mark through the holes, the center holes of the brackets, and it came out great. I checked it afterwards. I went down to my local hardware store. I got a laser and checked it. It looked great, no problems. So again, you're working from a level plane by using your coilover brackets as that level plane. So make sure you first set your level. again, your pumpkin is not the level surface that you want. you want your level surface to be from the coilover brackets.